Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make single crochet. Its abbreviation is SC, aligning the head of our crochet hook with the yarn. The index finger should maintain tension on the yarn. Hold the piece. Insert hook into next stitch. The tip of hook and working yarn should be facing you. Bring your hook below and behind the working yarn, and then grab the yarn with the tip of the hook, which we call a yarn over. Then pull through the stitch hole. Form a new loop on hook tattle to loops on hook. Yarn over again. Grab the yarn and pull through both loops at once. When we bring the hook out of the loop, the tip of the hook needs to be pointing downward. This makes it easier for us to pull the loop through. While bringing the loop out, the hook's tip is facing upward or to the side. You'll find it challenging. Great! You just complete a single crochet. You can also yarn over from above to the back. In making this strawberry cow, we are using this kind of single crochet. Let me show you. Insert hook into next stitch. Yarn over from above to the back. Grab the yarn and pull through. Now we have 2 loops on hook. Yarn over from below to the back and pull it through the remaining 2 loops on the hook. There you go. That's how you complete a single crochet. If you have any problems during crocheting, please feel free to contact us via email. We will reply to you as soon as we receive it.